Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a powerful, open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It's highly customizable, lightweight, and supports various programming languages, including Python. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up a Python development environment in VS Code on a Windows machine. We'll also provide a complete overview of VS Code's features and demonstrate them with code examples. To get started, download and install Visual Studio Code by following these steps. Python is not bundled with VS Code, so you'll need to install it separately. Here's how. To verify that Python is installed correctly, open a command prompt and type Python version. You should see the installed Python version. VS Code offers a rich ecosystem of extensions that enhance its functionality. For Python development, we recommend the following extensions. To install extensions, follow these steps. Before we dive into coding, let's create a Python project to organize our code. Here's how to create a new Python project folder. Now that we have everything set up, let's create a simple Python script. VS Code provides a built-in debugger for Python. To debug our hello.py script, follow these steps. You can inspect variables, set breakpoints, and step through your code using the debugger. VS Code has excellent Git integration. To version control your project with Git, create a .gitinerary file to specify files and directories that should be ignored by Git. For Python projects, you can use GitHub's python.gitinerary template. Stage and commit your changes using the source control panel in VS Code. VS Code is highly customizable. You can change themes, keyboard shortcuts, and more. Explore the following customization options. Here are some handy keyboard shortcuts to boost your productivity in VS Code. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Python development environment in Visual Studio Code on Windows. You've also learned about key features and customization options to make your coding experience more efficient and enjoyable. As you continue to explore and work with Visual Studio Code, you'll discover many more features and extensions that can streamline your Python development workflow. Happy coding! ChatGPT